Hey, just wanted to show you some new features here for looking at calc results. Once I've selected a calc grid, it'll give me some stats. But if I, for example, just wanted to see part of this region, I could just select them after the calc grid is selected, and this is now giving me just this region. I also have some other functionality where I can delete parts of this calc grid if I didn't want them for different reasons. If there's a piece of furniture or we just didn't need it, you can go ahead and delete different parts of the calc grid if you want. And here I'm doing it like this. I can also just pick a region I don't want and use the button down here. And if I change my mind after I delete these things, like this, I can simply go ahead and once I'm here, I can either undo one at a time, one, two, and I can also go ahead and just reset the whole calc grid from there. So, okay, so enjoy this new feature. Thanks.